Goa is our home and not a sin city. In 2011, Thomasin Cardozo had brought out a theatre called Goa Going Gone, and thereafter we had a Hindi movie going Go Goa Gone. We were all upset when that movie came, but it was showing us the reality of things which were there and things to come. We didn't want to believe it. People at that time came to Goa for the lovely coconut trees, the palm trees, white sands, and the peaceful life. Many people even came and stayed in beach huts. But today what has happened? Everybody came here to make a part of Goa a part of their commercial enterprise. And this is why we have been now upset where these people, there was even one builder put up an advertisement, Delhi rulers of India now conquer Goa. This is the reality that Goa is changing. Priorities of the government of Goa need to be streamlined. We can see that since 2012, we don't see a vision, but it's only commission, and the money was the sole driving force for promoting anything. Government of Goa has announced a spiritual tourism as an initiative, which is very good actually. I also encourage spiritual tourism. But this spiritual tourism, taking advantage of it, these people who want to make commerce, business, have exploited for pure commercial gains with notorious intent. And we brought this issue about Kama Sutra Christmas. Kama Sutra alone is not a problem. But Christmas is definitely a Catholic event which is celebrated by everybody, whether Catholic or not Catholic. And therefore, to exploit the Christmas festival and then to link it to Kama Sutra which was objectionable. I know the department took action. But that followed with Neo Tantra sacred intimacy. And I want to tell one thing, Honorable Speaker. The reason is not because you're having a festival. The numbers given there were international numbers. And international numbers means you contact those people. Money will be paid probably in dollars into foreign account. Government of Goa knows nothing. Government of Goa gets nothing. No revenue, no tax, police know nothing. How can it be? And therefore, now when this one is coming, latest one, again a nude party to be held in Arambol on 18 and 19 January. That is why we were so disturbed by it, by saying that this is not what we want in Goa.